Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting workouts on Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the side button on the watch to open the app menu. Then tap Workout. Now find and tap on the workout that you would like to record. Tap the workout icon to start the workout. If the workout requires a GPS signal, you may have to wait for the watch to pick up GPS before it starts recording. You can scroll down to see more information about your workout. And scroll from right to left to control your music. To pause your workout, tap the watch's side button. On the pause screen, you can resume your workout by tapping the play button, or stop your workout by tapping the stop button. If the workout that you would like to record is not in the list of workouts, you can tap Add at the bottom to see more workouts. You should be able to find your workout here as there are a lot to choose from. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.